Welcome back. Day 3. I'm back at it. Still don't have any audio. And gotta have my tunes. And just to recap, the amp rack is going to be up in here. All my wiring is gathering back here, of course. And yesterday I did not have this ground. So let's look at where I put that. And this is at the rear of the passenger chair on the floor. Got this nice tsunami block here with a big set screw so you can really crank down on that. And of course I drilled a hole, scraped the paint, nut, lock washer, and a bolt. That's the right way to do it. And let's go look under the car. Where is it? Got so much glare off the screen. Okay, here. That's where it came through, and I just sprayed this on the basically bed liner to keep oxygen out, because it only takes a short amount of time for this to get corroded from the dissimilar metals, and that adds resistance. You don't want that. So when you're doing your grounds, cover the side that's exposed. I'm not going to do that on the inside because it's really not that big of a deal.